नमस्सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य परमलघुमञ्जूषायाः 17 पाठः, जून् मासस्य 28 दिनाङ्कः। अद्य वयं धात्वर्थविषये वैयाकरणानां कः सिद्धान्तः, वैयाकरणमतरीत्या कथं शाब्दबोधः भवति, अस्मिन् विषये दर्शनान्तरीयाणां मीमांसकानां नैयायिकानां च किं मतम् इत्येतान् विषयान् परिशीलयामः। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयं। शिवन्नत्वा हि नागेशेन आनिन्द्या परमालघुः वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तमञ्जूषैषा विरच्यते। धात्वर्थप्रकरणस्य पीठिकारूपेण गतवर्गे धात्वर्थविषये वैयाकरणानां किं मतम् इति दृष्टवन्तः। तत्र प्राधान्येन अयम् अंशः परिशीलितः, फलं तदनुकूलव्यापारश्च धात्वर्थः। यदा काचित् क्रिया भवति तदा तस्याः क्रियायाः किञ्चित् फलं निष्पाद्यते। तत् फलं तज्जनकम् अथवा तदनुकूलः सर्वोऽपि व्यापारः धातुना बोध्यते इति वैयाकरणानां मतम्। यथा पचधात्वर्थः विक्लित्तिः, पचधातुना फलं सिद्ध्यति विक्लित्तिः, द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग कुक्ड। तदनुकूलः व्यापारः सर्वोऽपि, इट्स नॉट वन। सो विक्लित्तिं जनयितुम् अनुकूलः यः यः व्यापारः, so everything from lighting a stove to putting a vessel on the stove to putting the, say, adding water, stirring, whatever. So विक्लित्त्यनुकूलः व्यापारः पचधातोरर्थः इत्युच्यते। एवं गमधात्वर्थः उत्तरदेशसंयोगानुकूलः व्यापारः। So for us to use the dhatu gam, there needs to be movement from one place to another. Okay, it could be just say it could be to the next house, or it could be to a different city, whatever. Uttara deshah, so a different place than the initial place. So arambha deshah asti, uttara deshah asti, tat sanyogah uttara desham praptum यः यः व्यापारः साह्यकृत् सः सर्वोऽपि गमधातुना बोध्यते। एवं उत्तरदेशसंयोगानुकूलः व्यापारः गमधातोरर्थः। छिनत्ति इति प्रयोगः छिद् धातुः छिरद्वैधीकरणे इति द्वैधीभवनानुकूलः व्यापारः। सो द रिजल्टेंट ऑफ chid is something being split or cut. So anything which helps that is the vyapara of chinatti. Evam sarveshamapi dhatūnām अर्थद्वयं विद्यते इति वैयाकरणानां मतं। अस्ति इत्यादीनाम् अपि, even something like bhavati or asti, तत्र सत्ता रूपं फलं. So the phala there is just existence. So being there is the phala. Tadanukulah vyaparaha, and we maintain that there is a vyapara which is required for existing. अतः सत्तानुकूलः व्यापारः असुधातोरर्थः। सर्वेषामपि धातूनां अर्थद्वयं फलं व्यापारश्च इति वैयाकरणानां सिद्धान्तः। तर्हि तिङ् प्रत्ययस्य कः अर्थः? यत्र वयं प्रयोगं कुर्मः केवलस्य धातोः प्रयोगः न भवति, धातुः भवति, धातोः द्विविधाः प्रत्ययाः भवन्ति, तिङ् प्रत्ययाः तथा कृत् प्रत्ययाः। कृत् प्रत्ययानां विषये विवादः नास्ति, यतोहि कर्तरि कृत् इति पाणिनिना एव कण्ठरवेण उद्घुष्यते। तत्र कर्तृर्थः भवति यथा पाचकः इत्याद्युक्ते, औत्सर्गिकः कर्तृर्थः कृत् प्रत्ययानां, तत्र तत्र अन्येपि अर्थाः सूत्रेणैव उक्ताः। अतः ते सर्वे अर्थाः भवन्त्येव इत्यत्र सन्देहः नास्ति। किन्तु तिङ् प्रत्ययानाम् अर्थस्य विषये मतभेदः महान् विद्यते। वैयाकरणसिद्धान्ते तिङ् प्रत्ययेन यत्र यत्र तिङ् प्रत्ययः धातुभ्यः योज्यते तत्र त्रयः अर्थाः बुध्यन्ते। कर्ता अथवा कर्म, संख्या, कालश्च। अस्माकं सूत्रमेव अस्ति लः कर्मणि च भावे च अकर्मकेभ्यः। लकाराः सकर्मकेभ्यः धातुभ्यः कर्तरि कर्मणि च स्युः, अकर्मकेभ्यः भावे कर्तरि च। अतः यदि सकर्मकधातुः तर्हि कर्तरि प्रयोगे तिङ् प्रत्ययेन कर्ता बोध्यते, कर्मणि प्रयोगे तिङ् प्रत्ययेन कर्म बोध्यते। सर्वदा संख्या भवति, कालः अपि भवति। अतः कर्तृकर्मसंख्याकालाः तिङर्थाः इति वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तः। यथा पचामि इति प्रयोगः क्रियते, तत्र पच् इति धातुः अस्ति, मिप् इति तिङ् प्रत्ययः अस्ति। पच् धातुना विक्लित्यनुकूलः व्यापारः, विक्लित्तिः तदनुकूलव्यापारश्च इति अर्थद्वयम् उच्यते। मिप् इति प्रत्ययेन वर्तमानकालः, अयं लट्लकारस्य प्रत्ययः, अतः वर्तमानकालः ज्ञायते, एकत्वसंख्या ज्ञायते। कर्ता पचामि इत्युक्ते तत्र कर्ता अहमेव इति अस्मदभिन्नः कर्ता, मी और मदभिन्नः कर्ता, so it just means me. Okay, the word abhinna is just a technical flair of the language. It just means I am the karta. So pratyayena vartamanakalah ekatva sankhya karta cha bodhyate. So according to Vaiyakaranas, the dhatu here conveys the meaning of viklitti and all action which helps in viklitti, whereas the pratyaya gives the meanings of the present tense, singular number, and the karta being me. So pachami ityukte eva ete sarvepi arthaah ज्ञायन्ते उच्यन्ते धातुना प्रत्ययेन च एते अर्थाः उच्यन्ते। एवं पच्यन्ते इति प्रयोगः। पच धातुः झ इति प्रत्ययः, तत्र पच धातुना विक्लित्यनुकूलः व्यापारः इत्यर्थः। झ इति प्रत्ययः सः कर्मणि प्रत्ययः अस्ति, पच्यन्ते इति। तत्रापि वर्तमानकालः ज्ञायते, बहुत्वसंख्या त आतां झ इति बहुवचन प्रत्ययः, अतः बहुत्वसंख्या ज्ञायते, कर्म च ज्ञायते। सो किं पच्यन्ते अथवा के पच्यन्ते इति पृष्टे तण्डुलाः पच्यन्ते, शाकानि पच्यन्ते इत्यादि कर्मवाचकम् एव उत्तरं भवति। सामानाधिकरण्यं कर्मणा भवति न तु कर्त्रा, अतः कर्म ज्ञायते। So we might not know what is the specific identity of the karma, but we do know that the karma is something which is other than you and me. Okay. Evam karta athava karma sankhya kalascha tingarthaha. Kartru karma sankhya kalah tingarthaha phalavyaparo dhatvarthaha iti Vaiyakarana. Tarhi पचामि इत्युक्ते अथवा पच्यन्ते इत्युक्ते एतावन्तः अर्थाः उपस्थिताः भवन्ति, तेषां परस्परम् अन्वयः कथम्? एतत् स्मर्तव्यम्। अस्माभिः यदा बोधः भवति परस्पर अन्विततया एव बोधः भवति. We do not understand all these separately, right? I mean, these are not 5 separate entities. When we understand them as one whole, a single whole entity where they are related to each other. सर्वदा तथैव वाक्ये बहूनि पदानि भवेयुः, किन्तु सर्वेषां मिलितानां परस्पर अन्वितानामेव बोधः भवति। वाक्यादेव शब्दबोधः अस्माभिः दृष्टं। स्फोटे अखण्ड वाक्यम् एव सिद्धान्तः, वाक्यादेव अर्थबोधः भवति, न तु पृथक् पदैः न वा तदवयवैः. So it is the whole sentence that we understand, where we might understand each word, but the meaning that we actually get is something which is related. So all the meanings of the different words come together and relate, and then we understand it. Say Ramaha patham pathati. So we know Ramaha iti padena Rama, pathaha pathati. So we have an action, we have a patha, and we have Rama. So we don't understand them individually. We understand them saying that there is an action called of reading, which is being performed by Rama with the lesson as the object. So the whole related meaning is what we get. Okay? That is called Shabda Bodha. Shabda Bodha ityukte sayeva. Katham paraspara अन्वयः भवति पदार्थानाम्. अत्र इदानीं क्रियापदं तिङन्तं यत्र उपयुज्यते तत्र धातुः अस्ति, तिङ् अथवा आख्यातप्रत्ययः अस्ति. धातुना फलं व्यापारः इति अर्थद्वयं बोध्यते. तिङ् प्रत्ययेन अथवा आख्यातप्रत्ययेन कर्ता अथवा कर्म, संख्या, कालः इत्येते अर्थाः बोध्यन्ते. कथं तेषां परस्परान्वयः इति चेत् वैयाकरणमते व्यापारः प्रधानम्. So the most important part of all these is the vyapara. Okay? व्यापार मुख्य विशेष्यकः शाब्दबोधः इत्युच्यते. कः अर्थः? व्यापार is the final entity. We understand the whole thing as an action. Okay? So to this action we relate the other items. So व्यापारः प्रधानः. अन्येषां कथम् अन्वयः भवति? फलं व्यापारे अन्वेति. So we have already seen. So विक्लित्तिः फलं, व्यापारः विक्लित्यनुकूलः व्यापारः. So the pachadhatuh yatra asti, there we understand it as action which facilitates viklitti. So action is pradhana. What kind of an action? That which facilitates viklitti. So viklityanukulaha vyaparaha ityevam phalasya vyapare अन्वयः. कर्ता अस्ति, कर्तुः अपि व्यापारे एव अन्वयः. कर्त्राश्रयः. So यदि अहं पचामि, मदाश्रयः व्यापारः. So a vyapara which facilitates viklitti and which is performed by me, performed by you, or performed by Chaitra, somebody. Ataha kartuhu vyapare अन्वयः, because the action always resides in the karta. Kartari eva vyaparaha drishyate. So that in which we have vyapara is called the karta. That is the definition of the karta. So whatever you say gacchati. So kaha gacchati? Yaha vyaparam acharati. He who performs the action which leads him to reach a different place. He is called the karta. So what is gacchati? It is the action which facilitates reaching a different place and performed by a particular karta, an agent or the doer. Kartuhu vyapare अन्वयः. But when we come to the karma, so what is karma related to? Say karma, for example, tandula. Say tandulan pachati. He cooks rice. So what is tandula related to? It is not directly related to the action of cooking. Say when I talk of the action of cooking, whether it be lighting of the fire or stirring or adding water, the tandula is not associated with any of these, right? So it is not associated with vyapara. So what then is it associated with? Karma phale anveti. Viklittihi, it is the state of being cooked. The phala is always seen in the karma. Just like the vyapara is seen in the karta, phala is always seen in the karma. Right? Any phala, say if you say dvaidhi bhavanam, chinatti, dvaidhi bhavana is being split. So where do you see the split? You see it in the karma. Say vriksham chinatti. So vriksha shows the split. Or say vastram chinatti. So it is the vastra which shows the split. So the phala is always found in the karma. Vyaparaha kartari phalam karmani. Okay, vyaparashrayah karta, phalashrayah karma. Ataha karmanaha phale anvayah. So the karma will not relate it will relate to vyapara but not directly through the phala. So karmanah phale anvayah phalasya vyapare anvayah. संख्या संख्यायाः कुत्र अन्वयः यथा पचामि पचामः इत्यस्ति पचामः इत्यत्र बहुवचन प्रत्ययः you see the plural. So what is plural? Is the action plural? Vyaparaha, see vyapara is always singular, and even though the vyapara always has many components. So pachati, as I said, pachati iti vyapare बह्व्यः अवान्तरक्रियाः सन्ति यथा काष्ठज्वालनम् अधिश्रयणम् उदकसेचनम् इत्यादि अवान्तरक्रियाः बह्व्यः भवन्ति तथापि क्रिया एका एव. So kriya is always perceived as one, even though it might have component actions. We perceive it as one action wholly. Atah the bahutva sankhya vyapare nanveti. So in that case, what about pachami? So pachami ityatrapi tadeva kila. So you have singular and plural. In both cases, the action is the same. So it cannot refer to the vyapara. So what does it refer to? The phala is also the same. Vikliti. There is no difference. Kutra anveti? Kartari anveti. Pachamaha ityukte vayam pachamaha. The people who are cooking are plural. Right? But if you say pachyante, ke pachyante, tandulaha pachyante. Say tandulaha pachyate, tandulaha pachyante. Ityevam sankhya kartari athava karmani anveti. So kartari prayoge sankhya kartari anveti, karmani prayoge karmani anveti. So the number which is given by the pratyaya, it is associated with the karta if it is a kartari prayoga, and it is associated with the karma if it is a karmani prayoga. Kalaha. Kalaha kutra anveti? Say vartamana kalaha, bhuta kalaha, bhavishyat kalaha ityasti. So kutra anveti kalaha? Where does the kala associate itself with? Does it also go to the karta? Kalaha kartari anveti va iti chet nanveti. Kimartham? If I say aham apacham or aham apaksham, I cooked, does it mean that I am bhutakala, that I am past, I do not exist now? I do exist now. Even when the karta is present, you can use the bhutakala. Or aham pakshyami, I will cook sometime in the future. I am here, I am already there. I will cook in the future. So the kala is referring to the vyapara. Kada vyaparaha bhavati. It does not even relate to phala, because say I am just lighting the stove, where the vikliti, the phala, is in the future. Kintu prayogaha katham kriyate? Aham pachami, I am cooking. Iti vartamana kalasya eva prayogaha kriyate. Tatra vyaparaha asti, phalam itopi na jatam. Atah kalasya vyapare anvayah. So very logically the kala will associate itself with vyapara. Evam phalasya vyapare anvayah, kartuh vyapare anvayah, kalasya vyapare anvayah. Karma phale anveti, sankhya kartari prayoge kartari, karmani prayoge karmani anveti. Ityevam upasthitanaam arthanam paraspara sambandhah jnatavyah. So when we talk of say pachami, what is pachami? Pachami is action. That is the main meaning which we get out of the word is action. The action, what kind of an action? That which facilitates cooking. That which is or a vikliti, that which facilitates vikliti, that which is being performed by me, that which is present. So a present tense action performed by me which facilitates vikliti. Okay, so that is the meaning we get out of a word pachami. Pachami ityanena tadrishaha arthaha buddhyate. Tatra vyaparaha pradhanyena buddhyate. So everything else is related either directly or indirectly to vyapara. So phala, karta and kala are directly related to vyapara. So karma is related through the phala and sankhya is related through the karta or the karma, not directly. Okay. So evam paraspara sambandhah yada jnayate ततः शाब्दबोधः वक्तव्यः. So शाब्दबोध is a very technical term which is used in theoretical discussions. कः शाब्दबोधः नाम कः? शब्दप्रमाणेन यद् ज्ञानं जायते सः शाब्दबोधः. So any knowledge that we get out of shabdas, words, is called shabdabodha. What is the nature or the structure of the shabdabodha? What is it that we understand when we hear a word or a sentence? So it is the whole meaning. As I said, it is what we understand as a whole, relating all the meanings. Yaha yaha arthaha shabdaihi upasthapyate सह सर्वोपि परस्परम अन्वयं प्राप्य बुद्धौ भासते. सो एकः अखण्डः अर्थः भासते, स एव शाब्दबोधः इत्युच्यते. So when we talk of shabdabodha, it is actually jnana, so the knowledge which arises out of shabda, but shabdabodham vadati iti prayogah asti. So न्यायशास्त्रे भवति, मीमांसायां भवति, व्याकरणे भवति. So what is the meaning of telling a shabdabodha? It is putting in words this, okay, the relation of the meanings which are present. Okay, so it's a very technical term. Katham bhavati iti pashyamah. Katham vaktavyam, shabdabodhah katham uchyate. So tinganta sthale व्यापार मुख्य विशेषकः शाब्दबोधः. पूर्वम् उक्तं यत्र यत्र तिङन्तस्य प्रयोगः भवति तत्र व्यापारस्यैव प्राधान्यं. कृदन्तस्थले तु कर्तुः प्राधान्यं. पाचकः इत्युक्ते पाककर्ता, विक्लित्यनुकूल व्यापारस्य कर्ता इत्यर्थः प्राधान्येन बोध्यते. So when we talk of a कृदन्ता like pachaka, there the pradhanya is for the karta. From it we understand the doer of an action which facilitates vikliti. Whereas if I say pachati, we understand an action performed by a doer and which facilitates vikliti. So the focus is different. So in kridantas, the focus is on karta or karma or whatever, depending on the kind of kridanta. Tinganta sthale tu vyapara mukhya visheshakah shabdabodhah. Phalam vyaparascha dhatvarthah. Tatra vyapara pradhanam. So between phala and vyapara takes precedence. It is the most important. Dhatvartha phalam akhyātarthah karta kalascha vyaparam prati visheshanam. This is just putting in words what we saw in the previous slide. Purvatra yadrishtam tadeva padaihi uchyate. Kim uchyate? Dhatvartha phalam vyaparam prati visheshanam. Dhatvarthaha phalam. तत् कुत्र अन्वेति? व्यापारे अन्वेति. आख्यातार्थः अथवा तिङर्थः कर्ता व्यापारं प्रति विशेषणं. तिङर्थः कालः व्यापारं प्रति विशेषणं. That is exactly what we saw here. 3 direct arrows leading to vyapara. धात्वर्थः फलं, तिङर्थः कर्ता, तिङर्थः कालश्च व्यापारे विशेषणम्. अग्रे आख्यातार्थः कर्म फलं प्रति विशेषणं. So आख्यातेन तिङ प्रत्ययेन यत्र कर्म उच्यते तत्तु फलं प्रति विशेषणं भवति. So it associates itself with the phala. आख्यातार्थः संख्या, कर्तुः कर्मणः वा विशेषणं. So the sankhya again is akhyatartha. It relates itself to either the karta or the karma. तर्हि शाब्दबोधः कथं भवति इति उदाहरणद्वारा पश्यामः. पचामि इत्यस्ति. के अर्थाः अत्र उपतिष्ठन्ते? धातुना विक्लितिरूपं फलं, तदनुकूलः व्यापारः इति अर्थद्वयं धातुना बोध्यते. कर्तरिप्रयोगः, अतः कर्ता, मदभिन्नः कर्ता. So I am the karta. So that is given by the pratyaya. Pratyayena karta ekatva sankhya. So the number here is singular. वर्तमानकालश्च उच्यते। एवं पञ्च अर्थाः उपतिष्ठन्ते। तर्हि शाब्दबोधः कथं भवति? किं प्रधानं? व्यापारः प्रधानं. So we have seen that vyapara is pradhana. So to vyapara we need to relate the other things. Katham uchyate? Viklityanukulaha. So the first meaning is viklitti, which relates to vyapara. Viklityanukulaha vyaparaha. Okay. Anantaram karta. So kartrashrayah. Madabhinna kartrashrayah vyaparaha. So an action which is present in the doer, which is me. So I am the doer. Madabhinnaha karta. Madabhinna kartrashrayah vyaparaha. And the sankhya. What does the sankhya relate to? It relates to the karta, right? So ekatva sankhya vachinna madabhinna kartrashrayah. So it is within the karta. So ekatva sankhya iti, it is not directly to vyapara. It relates to karta and then to the vyapara. Vartamana kalaha. So that is also directly related to vyapara. So whatever in the first level directly relates to vyapara, whereas the second level relates to what is above it. So evam vyaparaha viklityanukulaha madabhinna kartrashrayah vartamana kalikaha sankhya tu kartari anveti. Okay, so this avachinna, ashraya, they are all technical terms which are used for conveying this. Say avachinna does not mean anything. It is just associated with or attributed or endowed with the attribute of singular number. What is endowed? A karta. A karta who is endowed with the attribute of singular number, which means a singular karta. So there is nothing difficult. They are just paribhashika padani tathaiva vaktavyam iti paddhati. Okay, conventionally used. So how do we put these together? We just put these together in the order. So finally ending with vyapara. So remember that what is the innermost level comes first and the outermost level comes last. So vyaparaha ante bhavati. So to vyapara we have three visheshanas and to this we have this. Okay, so we will start from here. So viklityanukulaha. So madabhinna kartrashrayah, but that itself has a visheshana. So ekatva sankhya vachinna madabhinna kartrashrayah vartamana kalikaha vyaparaha. So this is how we do the shabdabodha. So vyaparaha ante asti kidrishaha saha viklityanukulaha madabhinna kartrashrayah vartamana kalikaha. So next level we have ekatva sankhya vachinna, which goes before the karta. So viklityanukulaha ekatva sankhya vachinna madabhinna kartrashrayah vartamana kalikaha vyaparaha iti Vaiyakarana-mate Shabdabodhaha. This is what we call the Shabdabodha according to the Vaiyakaranas. Spashtam? Any questions? द्वितीयम् उदाहरणं पश्यामः. दृश्यसे इत्यस्ति. कः अर्थः? You are seen. त्वं दृश्यसे. By whom? Karta noktah. So the agent is not specified. So it just means you are seen. Atra ke arthaः upatishthante. Anybody wants to volunteer? What are the meanings that we get out of this? कोऽपि वक्तुमिच्छति? I will help. Yes, Drone Ray. Yeah.
Namaste. Yusmad karma.
Karma. Yes.
Karma. Tatra sankhya.
Ka sankhya?
Sankhya tatra ekatvam.
Ekatva sankhya.
Ekatva sankhya. कालः वर्तमानकालः
सम्यक्
तत्र दर्शनानुकूलव्यापारः
सम्यक् सो दर्शनं फलं तदनुकूलः व्यापारः कर्म त्वदभिन्नः मध्यमपुरुषः अस्ति अतः त्वम् इति कर्म सो कर्मणि प्रयोगः कर्म उच्यते त्वदभिन्नः कर्म और त्वदभिन्नं कर्म एकत्वसंख्या वर्तमानकालः इत्येवम् अर्थाः अनेन बुध्यन्ते कथं शाब्दबोधः Can you try?
एकत्वावच्छिन्न
No, let's go step by step. So what is first? Pradhanah
व्यापारः
pradhanah. So कीदृशः व्यापारः
दर्शनानुकूलव्यापारः
दर्शनं फलं तदनुकूलः व्यापारः
तदनन्तरं त्वदभिन्नकर्मकः
Is it vyapa? Where does it relate to?
The karma relates to the phala.
Phala. So twadabhinna karmashrayam darshanam. So the phala is in tvam. So twadabhinna karmashrayam darshanam. Next. Sankhya.
Next, Sankhya also relates to the karma.
Sankhya relates to the karma. Right, so karma relates to phala, sankhya relates to karma, so it's one further. So ekatva sankhya vachinna twadabhinna karmashrayam darshanam tadanukulaha vyaparaha. Next, kalaha vyapare anveti. Vyapare. So we come back to the first level. Vartamanakalikah vyaparaha. So darshananukulaha vartamanakalikah vyaparaha. Now the complete shabdabodha.
एकत्व संख्यावच्छिन्न त्वदभिन्न कर्माश्रय वर्तमानकालिक दर्शनानुकूल व्यापार.
No. So karmashrayam darshanam. So you have to go to the darshana. So finish that and then kala. Right? So ekatva sankhya vachinna twadabhinna karmashrayam yad darshanam. So we have to finish that level. Tadanukulah vartamanakalikah vyaparaha. Right? So it is vyapara which is of the present tense and which facilitates darshana. So darshana is in the karma which is you. Darshana in the karma called you, which has the singular number. So ekatva sankhya vachinna twadabhinna karmashrayam yad darshanam tadanukulah vartamanakalikah vyaparaha iti shabdabodhasya kramah. Thank you. Very nice. Clear? So we have to go step by step and always level by level. So whatever is the innermost level will come first because it is the Visheshana. So ekatva sankhya vachinna is first, then the next level, then the outer level. Okay, so we finish the outer levels and then come to the outermost level, which is the vyapara. So vyaparaha pradhanam, that is the most important thing. So everything else should relate somehow to vyapara. You can have only one outermost level, you cannot have multiple. Right? So there is only one. Within it you can have any number of levels. Okay. So itopi ekam udaharanam pashyamaha. Gramam agacchama. Okay. So gramam agacchama. Kaharthaha, we went to a village. So we are adding another word, the karmapala. So we have to see what are the meanings out of each word. Atra agacchama iti tingantam asti. So tingantena ke arthaha bodhyante. Uttaradesha sanyogaha phalam tadanukulaha vyaparaha asmadabhinnaha karta. So again we have the uttama purusha. So that is the karta, kartari prayogaha. Bahutva sankhya anadyatana bhutakalaha. Langlakaraha anadyatana bhute ataha anadyatana bhutakalaha vyaparaha. Okay. Evam pancha arthaha agacchama iti तिङन्तेन उच्यन्ते. सो द तिङन्त itself, द धातोः फलं व्यापारश्च अर्थः, कर्ता संख्या कालश्च तिङर्थः. एवं अगच्छाम इति तिङन्तेन पञ्च अर्थाः उच्यन्ते. ग्रामम् इति कर्मपदं, तेन किमुच्यते? ग्रामाभिन्नं कर्म. सो तत्र द्वितीया विभक्तिः अस्ति, द्वितीया विभक्त्या कर्मत्वम् उच्यते. सो ग्रामाभिन्नं कर्म. So we know that grama is the object because of the dvitiya vibhakti. We will not know through the tinganta, right? So grama bhinnam karma. Tataha ekatva sankhya. Atrapi sankhya asti, dvitiya ekavachana pratyayah. Ataha ekatva sankhya. So this sankhya will relate to the karma. This sankhya relates to the karta. This sankhya relates to the karma. Okay. एवं अगच्छामा इत्यनेन पञ्च अर्थाः, ग्रामम् इत्यनेन अर्थद्वयं बुध्यते. शाब्दबोधे सर्वमपि योजनीयम्. So we have to relate everything in the Shabdabodha. So there is nothing new. We know that karma relates to the phala. This sankhya relates to the karma. So we know the relationships already. Katham vaktavyam. So adau gramam agacchama ityasti. Vyaparaha pradhanam. So the first thing is vyapara. Kidrishaha vyaparaha. Uttara desha sanyogaha phalam. Tadanukulaha vyaparaha. So uttara desha sanyogaha phalam. Phale kasya anvayaha. Karmanaha anvayaha. So grama bhinna karmashrayah sanyogaha. So the uttara desha sanyoga is in the karma. Grama bhinna karmashrayah sanyogaha. And the sankhya is ekatvam on the karma. So karmanaha ekatva sankhya. So ekatva sankhya vachinna grama bhinna karmashrayah uttaradesha sanyogaha tadanukulaha vyaparaha. Okay, so now we are come to the one part, which is the phala. So tataha karta asti. Kaha karta? Asmadabhinna kartrashrayah. So vayam is the karta. So asmadabhinna kartrashrayah. Kartari tingartha sankhya. So the sankhya on the ting pratyaya is bahutvam, which relates to the karta. Ataha bahutva sankhya vachinna asmadabhinna kartrashrayah vyaparaha. Punascha kalaha vyapare anveti anadyatana bhutakalikaha. Right? So we have the phala, karta, kala directly relating to vyapara, sankhya relating to the karta, the sankhya of the ting pratyaya. So the sankhya of the dvitiya vibhakti relating to the karma, karma relating to the phala. Okay. So idanim kaha shabda bodhaha kaschid vadati. So we have everything here. We just have to put that in the form of a sentence. Haripriya.
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Yeah. Vadatu. यः उत्तरदेश संयोगः तदनुकूलः
बहुत संख्यावच्छिन्न अस्मदभिन्न कर्ताश्रयः अनद्यतन भूतकालिकः व्यापारः.
सम्यक्. So it's just going from the inner. So एकत्व संख्यावच्छिन्न ग्रामाभिन्न कर्माश्रयः यः उत्तरदेश संयोगः तदनुकूलः. बहुत्व संख्यावच्छिन्न अस्मदभिन्न कर्त्राश्रयः अनद्यतन भूतकालिकः व्यापारः इति शाब्दबोधः. It sounds very धन्यवादः. So it sounds long and complicated if we go directly, but it is nothing but taking the different meanings and relating them correctly. Kasya kutra अन्वयः इति निश्चयः भवेत्. सः निश्चयः नास्ति चेत् शाब्दबोधः वक्तुं न शक्यते. Okay. So अग्रे अन्तिमम् एकम् उदाहरणं पश्यामः. चैत्रः वृक्षान् छेत्स्यति. छिनत्ति छेत्स्यति भविष्यत्काले. So Chaitra will cut the trees. Chaitraha कर्ता वृक्षाः कर्म छेत्स्यति इति क्रिया सो अत्र के अर्थाः सन्ति तेषां कथं परस्पर अन्वयः सो छेत्स्यति इति क्रियापदं तिङन्तं तिङन्तेन के अर्थाः द्वैधीभवनं फलं तदनुकूलः व्यापारः कर्ता कर्तरिप्रयोगः अतः कर्ता कीदृशः कर्ता एकत्वसंख्यावच्छिन्नः सो एकत्वसंख्या भविष्यत्कालः सो कर्ता संख्या कालश्च तिङ् प्रत्ययेन फलं व्यापारश्च धातुना उच्यते छेत्स्यति इति तिङन्तस्य एते अर्थाः वृक्षान् इति पदमस्ति तत्र द्वितीया विभक्त्या कर्म उच्यते वृक्षाभिन्नं कर्म पुनश्च बहुत्वसंख्या उच्यते so you have the karma and the sankhya from the vibhakti chaitraha so chaitraha ityatra prathama vibhakti so prathama vibhakti indicates only the pratipadikaartha matre prathama right so it does not indicate karta atra asti tinga eva jnayate so chaitra abhinnaha so prathama is always ting samanadhikarana so it relates to whatever is given by the thing okay atayeva if I am saying say chaitraha chhidyate chaitra is being cut or chaitraha chinatti chaitra cuts chaitra is being cut ubhayatra chaitraha iti prathamantasya eva prayogah tena karta api na jnayate karma api na jnayate katham jnayate tingantena jnayate so in both cases chaitra is what is given by the karta so if the thing gives the karta chaitra is the karta if the thing gives karma chaitra is the karma thing samanadhikaranye prathama so out of the prathama vibhakti we get only the meaning of chaitra bhinnah that is chaitraha ityeva arthah the bhinna is just the technical word so none other than chaitra ityarthah okay so idanim etesham katham anvayah so chaitrah vrikshan chhetsyati व्यापारः कीदृशः द्वैधीभवनं फलं तदनुकूलः व्यापारः द्वैधीभवनम् इति फलं फले कस्य अन्वयः कर्मणः सो वृक्षाभिन्न कर्माश्रयम् सो द्वैधीभवनं so the dvaidhibhavana the split is seen in the object which is none other than the vriksha कीदृशाः वृक्षाः बहुत्व संख्या अवच्छिन्न वृक्षाभिन्न कर्माश्रयम् the sankhya on the karma pada that is the dvitiya vibhakti goes to the karma so bahutva sankhya avachinna vrikshabhinna karmashrayam yadvaidi bhavanam tadanukulah vyaparah so first is the phala next the karta kaha karta chaitrabhinna kartrashrayah so from the prathama vibhakti we get the identity of the karta he is none other than the chaitra so chaitrabhinna kartrashrayah पुनश्च एकत्व संख्यावच्छिन्न चैत्राभिन्न कर्त्राश्रयः अन्ते कालः भविष्यत्कालिकः व्यापारः सो कः शाब्दबोधः एनीबडी शाब्दबोधं वदन्तु सरगोपन महोदय
बहुत्व संख्या अवच्छिन्न वृक्षाभिन्न कर्माश्रयः
द्वैधीभवनं तदनुकूलः
एकत्व संख्या अवच्छिन्न चैत्राभिन्न कर्त्राश्रयः भविष्यत्कालिकः व्यापारः
सम्यक् सो बहुत्व संख्यावच्छिन्न वृक्षाभिन्न कर्माश्रयं यद्वैधीभवनं तदनुकूलः एकत्व संख्यावच्छिन्न चैत्राभिन्न कर्त्राश्रयः भविष्यत्कालिकः व्यापारः इति शाब्दबोधः अस्य वाक्यस्य so you can go on adding words it will not change you just have to see how they relate to each other okay so atra bhavatu so the main thing we have learned today is the vyakarana siddhanta anugunam So this slide is the one which we have to remember. So dhatuna phalam vyaparascha bodhyate ting pratyayena karta karma sankhya kalascha uchyate tatra vyaparah pradhanam phalasya vyapare कर्तुः व्यापारे अन्वयः कर्मणः फले संख्यायाः कर्तरि प्रयोगे कर्तरि कर्मणि प्रयोगे कर्मणि कालस्य व्यापारे अन्वयः. सो अन्वयं ज्ञात्वा शाब्दबोधः वक्तुं शक्यते. So based on this we learned how to do the shabdabodha for some sentences. So adya abhyasartham kanichana vakyani santi. So etesham vakyanam shabdabodham likhantu. Okay, you have to write the shabdabodha for these. Okay, so it's easier initially to go step by step. If you want to write the whole sentence together, it is fine. But the stepwise is easier for understanding and for knowing how we derive it rather than having it as one mass. Okay. So etesham vakyanam shabdabodham vaiyakarana siddhantaritya likhantu. Okay. Bhanuprakash Mahoday, prashna अस्ति वा?
Soumyaji. Hello. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, I can hear you. Tell me. न श्रूयते वा? हरि ओम्.
Hello, can you hear me, ma'am?
श्रूयते. वदतु.
Yes. Soumyaji, can we start with the right hand column and end up with
I did not.
Chaitra Birna
Yeah, that is also fine. So what he is asking is, can we start from the lower part and end here? So that is also fine. Actually, that is how it is done normally. The order is not matter. So we can say bhavishyat kalikah ekatva sankhyaavachhinna chaitra bhinna kartrashrayah bahutva sankhyaavachhinna vriksha bhinna karmashrayam yadvaidi bhavanam tadanukulah vyaparah tathapi vaktum shakyate. That is also fine. So it is just a way. So as long as this things the fine, I mean the order within the things are correct. So these items you can put in any order. So you can say ekatva sankhyaavachhinna chaitra bhinna kartrashrayah bhavishyat kalikah bahutva sankhyaavachhinna etc. tadanukulah vyaparah. So the order of the second level is interchangeable. Okay. So the second level ones you can put any visheshana in any order. That is fine. Any other questions?
Swamiji, it's a very simple question. I got stumped with the word chaitraha, and I was wondering what that was really referring to.
So chaitra is just a name. It is a very common name which is used in as example in older texts. Okay, so chaitraha devadattaha. There are two common names which are commonly used. That's it.
I didn't see it. Devadatta I've seen 1,000 times, but
yeah. And chaitra is also seen, especially in Vyakarana texts. We have chaitra also. So he's just
thinking of it like a time of the year or something like that, like a month or something.
No. I mean, it is based on that, but it means here in this case, it's just a name of a person.
Yeah. So I kind of figured that's what it must be, but it just like.
Yeah. Sure. Any other questions? Anya prashnaah santi va? Oh, sorry. Yes. Kshamyata. Vadatu.
vrikshaभिन्न कर्माश्रयम् अथवा चैत्राभिन्न कर्त्राश्रय अत्र सर्वदा बहुव्रीहो प्रयोगः भवति वा?
कस्य प्रयोगः?
वृक्षाभिन्न कर्माश्रयम् इत्युक्ते दैवीभवनं रूपया क्रिया भवति, तस्य आश्रयः तु वृक्षः।
सत्यं द्वैधीभवनं फलं तदाश्रयः कर्म
अतएव दीक्षाभिन्नकर्माश्रयम् अथवा तथैव चैत्राभिन्नकर्त्राश्रयः अत्र व्याकरणगतप्रयोगः तु बहुव्रीहि समासगतः एव
सत्यं चैत्राभिन्नः कर्ता आश्रयः यस्य सः व्यापारः इत्यर्थः हाँ.
And Swamiji, could you give me a better understanding of Anukulaha for this?
Anukulaha is, it is just which facilitates. So any vyapara which helps in reaching that phala. So we call the sambandha between the phala and vyapara. So it could be janaka. So usually the Mimamsaka says tad janakaha vyaparaha. So the vyapara which generates that phala. In Vyakarana we usually say tad anukulaha. So anything which is helpful, even though it might not be directly generating that phala. Say something like, as I said, anything like say lighting the fire or putting a vessel on it or sprinkling water. So any action which facilitates the phala. So tadanukulaha vyaparaha, phalanukulaha vyaparaha, phalajanakaha vyaparaha. So that is also there. So we say that it is vyapara which generates the phala or vyapara which facilitates the phala.
Okay.
So ayam abhyasah kriyatam. So agrimavarge अन्य सिद्धान्तरीत्या अद्यैव करणीयमिति चिन्तितं किन्तु अग्रिमवर्गे पश्यामः अद्य समयः अतीतः मीमांसकमते कथं शब्दबोधः तन्मते के अर्थाः धात्वर्थः कः तिङर्थः कः तेषां परस्परान्वयः कथम् एवं नैयायिकानां मते कथं कः धात्वर्थः कः तिङर्थः कथं शब्दबोधः इति अग्रिमवर्गे पश्यामः शिवन्नत्वा हि नागेशे नानिन्द्या परमालघुः वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तमञ्जूषैषा विरच्यते।